Hello everyone, welcome to Free Learning School. Today we are going to solve a very mysterious problem. We'll prove that 1 is equal to 2. We all know that it is not possible, but let's prove it in a mathematical term, and then we'll discuss why we cannot divide anything by 0 and what is the problem if we divide something by 0. So let's assume x is equal to y. Now multiply both sides with x. Then it will be x square is equal to xy. Now minus y square from both sides. We all know x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. And in this side take y as a common and x minus y. So from both sides we can eliminate x minus y. Let's eliminate this and this. So we get x plus y is equal to y. At the very beginning we wrote that x is equal to y. So let's put the value of y here. So x plus x is equal to x. So we can say 2x is equal to x. If we divide both sides, we get, if we divide both sides with x, we get 2 is equal to 1. We can prove it mathematically that 2 is equal to 1. But where did we make the mistake? So let's go back and find out. In this particular line, what we did, we actually divide both sides by x minus y. But what is the value of x minus y? We can simply say here x minus y is equal to 0. If x is equal to y, then x minus y is equal to 0. This particular line, we actually divided both sides by 0. So that's where we made the mistake. So this is not possible that if you divide something by 0, you will get weird result like 1 is equal to 2. And from that equation you can prove thousands of mathematical error. So why cannot we divide something by 0? Let's write a function. I'll discuss in a different video that what function is, but for the time being, write a function. For example, fx is equal to 1 by x. What is function? Function is just take it as a machine. Here you will give input and here you will receive output. So if I input 2 as x value, the output I will get is 1 by 2. If I put 3 as the value of x, I will get the output as 1 by 3. If I put half as the value, I will get the output as 2. So let's assume we have that function. Now I will draw two lines. One is an input line and one is the output line. Let's draw two number line. Let's assume green line is the input function and the red line is the output or the result. So let's input 1 in the function. In this function, we'll input 1. So if I input 1, the result is 1 by 1. That is 1 here. What if I input 2? The input is 2. What's the result? The result is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is somewhere here. Let's input 3. The result will be 1 by 3. The result will be somewhere here. So from that function, we can prove that if I increase the value of a function, of this function, this value, the output become closer to 0. So it will never be 0, but it will be very close to 0. It will be very close to 0. So now let's take, if I take half, what happens? If I input 1 by 2, the result is 2 here. So the more we go on that side, the result on that side. So now we can say that let's divide it by 0. Where will be the result? The result will be somewhere on the infinity, because we don't know. So let's put it on the infinity. We'll get the value of this. If we input 0 here, and the output will be 1 by 0. Let's assume, because from this trend we can easily say this line will go straight on that side. Now if you put negative balances, you will find that the more you go close to 0, the line will go this side. And now if we say divide it by 0, you will also get a value here. So let's assume this is also infinity minus. So what we are getting, if we divide something by 0, if I divide something by 0, we are getting two results. One is positive infinity and another one is negative infinity. So that creates a problem. So the result is a limited number. So here is infinity, here is infinity. So if I divide something by 0, it goes to infinity. So we cannot define it. So that's why it is not possible to divide something by 0. Hope you understood why we cannot divide something by 0. The first problem is it will create mathematical error, like what we did. For example, we proved 1 is equal to 2, which is not possible at all. And if we take the help of our number line, we get that the more we go close to 0 on our function, we find that the result tends to go to infinity. So we cannot actually find the value of something divided by 0. Hope you understood. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos.